This brand is from GE Appliances, which is a part of HvacR company, and the units can be purchased through a wide selection of retailers, but the warranty on the units is not very good when compared to other brands. The AHFK cool-only units are for larger rooms and feature built-in Wi-Fi and voice command control, as well as geolocation, where the unit senses the location of your smartphone and automatically adjusts settings for either home or away. The units use environmentally friendly R32 refrigerant and have a 9.8 ER efficiency. They are somewhat loud with sound ratings approaching that of a washing machine. The Profile Series AHTR cool-only models feature inverter compressors and have a 14.7 ER efficiency, as well as a much quieter 41 decibel noise rating, which is roughly equivalent to a light rain or a library. The Profile PHC models have standard compressors and an 11.5 ER efficiency with a sound rating of 40 decibels. The Profile Series has a Sabbath mode, which disables the buttons to prevent the work of pushing the buttons during the Sabbath and breaking the commandment. The built-in range offers a variety of models from cool-only to heat pumps, but they have lower efficiencies and use R410A refrigerant, which is less friendly to the planet.